In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of your Vizio TV not finding cable channels quickly and easily. If your Vizio TV is not picking up cable channels, it could be due to a variety of reasons, such as incorrect settings, cable connection issues, or incorrect input selection. Let's walk through the steps to resolve this problem. Step 1. Check cable connections. First, ensure that all cable connections are secure. Make sure the cable wire is properly connected to the cable in port on the back of your Vizio TV. If you are using a set-top box, check that the connections between the TV and the box are properly secured. Step 2. Set TV to the correct input. Make sure your TV is set to the correct input. Press the input or source button on your remote and select the input where your cable box is connected, such as HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or cable. Step 3. Auto scan for channels. Press the menu button on your Vizio remote. Go to Channels or Tuner Settings. Select Auto Channel Scan or Auto Tune. This will scan for available channels. Wait for the scan to finish. Your Vizio TV should now pick up all available channels. Step 4. Check TV settings, antenna versus cable. If you're using a cable box, ensure that the TV tuner is set to cable rather than antenna. You can change this setting by going to Menu greater than Channels, greater than Tuner mode, and selecting Cable. Step 5. Restart the cable box. If you're using a cable box, try unplugging it for about 1 to 2 minutes and then plugging it back in. This can help resolve temporary signal issues. Step 6. Check for signal issues. If the channels still aren't found, there may be an issue with the cable signal. Try connecting a different TV to the same cable outlet to see if the issue persists. If another TV works fine, the issue could be with the TV's tuner, and you might need to contact Vizio support or your cable provider. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.